know, my Glamies and Glamoes, my Beauties and my Cuties. What's the business? What's the business, motherfuckers and bitches? I am stopping by just to tell you all thank you so much. I appreciate it. For yesterday, me doing my review and reveal on China Doll Cosmetics from the China Dolls Vault LLC, an entrepreneur that I love so much, up and coming African American entrepreneur starting her own makeup line, gloss line, and accessories. And I ordered some of her products, and yesterday I used the filter because I didn't do makeup, and I was reviewing it, and I just wanted to thank everybody for coming and watching and sharing the review. I love looks like this makeup looks. It's clean, it's very even, very put together, and got its little spice and it got its little pop of color, but it's very womanly, very adult, and I love when a woman has adult makeup. It doesn't look whorish. In fact, it looks very nighttime, very sexy and mysterious. Y'all know I love my mysterious looks, especially being a beauty makeup artist as well as a horror makeup artist. And I like to incorporate spooky into the beauty. Spooky is what I call it, spookty. And I wanted to save it for this look, so I only used 3 matte colors: a black matte, a cherry matte, and a bubblegum matte. And I blended it to give the lips one solid color. It's a tricolor to blend into one specific color. So let's see what Red Ronins does for this beautiful and sexy and dark and mysterious makeup look, babies. Ooh, I see what it did. It glossed it. And it tastes so good. And it smells so good. Let's do the top lip. I love what it did to the matte color. I used the pink matte to give a more of a nude tone, and to lay this tone on top, it gave it a reddish tone. It kept it pink, it gave it a reddish tone, and it gave it just the gloss I wanted for me, giving myself a sparkly eye. I just wanted to do something jazzy and to try something different, you all, just to do something different, add a little pizzazz to them. And of course, you all can see the payoff of the China Dolls Red Ronins gloss. It's frosty, it has a very beautiful scent, smells like cherries, and it tastes just like cherries. And I love the look that it gave, and it gave it such a gloss and a sheen. And you know what, I'm so obsessed with it, I want to put on some more, just to put on some more, y'all. Oh. Yes, I love it, I love it, I love it. I'm obsessed, I'm obsessed, I am obsessed. I'm actually obsessed with this look, y'all. I don't really come to my fan page a lot and do makeup as much as I would like to. So when I actually have done it and I feel good about it, this is pretty. Ain't nothing childish, ain't nothing young bippity boppity whorish little young bitch about this look. And I'm glad, because who I'm representing and doing her reviews on her beautiful and very affordable and very worth the money products is a very big grown, prominent, and very grown minded and business minded woman. So the last thing I wanted to do is reviewing her makeup with some young bippity boppity whorish teenage look. Now here, this is for the grown and sexy. I wanted to keep it grown and sexy, and this, in my opinion, is grown and sexy. But that's it for right now. Like I said, you all, the actual tutorial will be coming soon. The actual review will be coming soon. Like I said, I was just doing something on my page. Wanted to come and share because I was so excited when I got my package. Been waiting for it, and the shipping was quick. She shipped it to me 2 days ago. It came 2 days later, and it was worth the wait, China. I enjoyed this. Thank you so much. I hope you all enjoy the look. I hope you all enjoy the reveal. And I hope you all enjoy the reviews on China Doll Cosmetics. It's worth the money, ladies. Check her out. Go to Instagram, ChinaDoll92. She is waiting for you. And I am waiting to see what you all get and show me what you all did when you became a doll and added it to your makeup look. Alright, that's it for now, my Glamies and Glamoes, Beauties and Cuties. And I'll let watch your makeup artists here on this thing we call the internet. From Locked and Loaded Faces, Beauty Makeup Broadcast, Beauty Makeup Live, and your makeup artist, Father Lock. Keep them faces locked and loaded, boo. Stay sexy. Alright, I love y'all. Bye, babies.